Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the past tense. We are discussing about the tenses now. In the last class I have discussed about the present tense. Present tense divided four types. Past tense also divided subtenses, four subtenses. See here, past tense. Past tense. Past tense also divided four types. Four subtenses. Past tense also divided four subtenses. What is first one? Simple. Simple past. Simple past tense. Next, past. Past continuous. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Past perfect. Past perfect tense. Next, past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense. Okay, these four types of subtenses. Next, let's see what is first one. Simple past tense. Simple past tense. See here, simple past tense. What is the simple past tense? We must know the structure of simple past tense. Okay, subject plus V2 plus object. We know what is subject, what is V1, what is object. Okay, see what is subject. I have written here, what is subject? She. She ate mango. She ate mango. I have taken here go. Go, went, gone, going. V1, V2, V3 and V4. I am taking here V2. So I have written here, see, first one is she ate mango. I went to my friend's home. Okay, already I went to. So we had to use I went, I eat, I ate, and I brought, I drank water. These all are V2 forms. Okay, we have to use V2 and subject, V2 and object. Okay, the example of simple past tense here. Next, another example of simple past tense. She bought book for me. She bought a book for me. She bought. Bought is with. Okay. Next, second one is past continuous. Past continuous. What is second one? Past past continuous. What is the structure of past continuous? See here. Subject plus was or were plus V4 plus object. Okay, subject plus was or were plus V4 plus object. Here, when we use singular form, we have to use was. When we use plural form, we should use were. For example, I was. What is happening in the past time? For example, at this time, now I am teaching the grammar. At this time, at the same time, yesterday, I was teaching the grammar. Okay. So here, when I use singular, I was teaching the grammar. Okay. So when we use plural, you were teaching the grammar. Okay, you was teaching the grammar. This is the example of past continuous. Next, past perfect. Past perfect. Third one is past perfect. What is past perfect? The structure of past perfect is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Here, subject we know. Had means what is the past tense. For past tense we have to use had. Sometimes according to subject we have changed in previous classes, have, has according to subject. But in this totally past tense, that's why we are using had for all the subjects. Okay, here I had completed my dinner. I had completed my dinner. Completed. Bring, brought, bringing. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. See here. She had eaten. She had eaten fruits. She had eaten fruits last night. In the last night. Okay, next another example. We had bought a car in the last week. We have bought a car in the last week. Okay, this is an example of past perfect. Next, past perfect continuous. What is structure of past perfect continuous? Past perfect. Fourth one is past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense. Here, what is the structure of past perfect continuous? See here. Subject plus had been plus V4 plus object. This is the structure of past perfect continuous. Okay, see here. I went to somewhere. When I went, what they are doing? They are having car. So I asked that. You had a bike, no? You had bike, no? When you bought this car? That's why I asked. What she said? I had been car for 2 years. How many years onwards? For 2 years. But now also is there. But bike not there. I had been used the bike for 3 years. But after 3 years I bought car. Okay. So this is the example of sentence. Yes. Past perfect continuous. See here. I had been used my bike for 2 years. 2 years. Okay. So, but not there. Presently not their bike. But what they bought? Car they bought. Okay. Means how many years they used? For 3 years. Like that. Okay. Next. Another example of past continuous. Past perfect continuous. Here. They had been they had been completed their homework. This is also example of past perfect continuous tense.